This is another example of question on power and roots of logarithm of numbers greater than 1. This is also another example of question on power and roots, but this one is roots. We've looked at questions on power, but in this class we are looking at roots now. So how do I solve? I first write my number, then log. So you have your 65210. The characteristics of this number, the point is here, it will move to the front of the first non-zero digit. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. So the characteristics is 4. Then using your four-figure table now, you will check 65 under 2, add difference 1. 65 under 2, add difference 1. I've shown them how to use a four-figure table. So if you are new to this channel or to this topic, you can watch my previous videos on how to use four-figure table. So if you look up your four-figure table correctly, then you're supposed to have 65 under 2 difference 1. So you're supposed to have 8, 1, 4, 3. 8, 1, 4, 3. Divided by, this is 8.670. Since the point is already in front of the first non-zero digit, the characteristics will be 0. Then you have points. Then look up your four-figure table. You look up 86 under 7, no difference, because there is no difference 0. Just look up 86 under 7. So you have 86 under 7, no difference. So that will give me 9380. Now, since between this number and this number I'm dividing now, I will subtract their log. So if I subtract the log now, I have 4.8143 minus 0.9380. So I have 3.8763. Now, assuming there is no root in this question, I'll just look up my anti-log here. But because of this cube root, I'll divide by 3. So because of the cube root, I'll divide by 3. So you have this 3.8764 divided by 3. And that will give me 1.2921. Then after this, I'll now check anti-log of this. So you now go and check anti-log of 1.2921. So if you turn your logarithm table once backward, you have anti-log. So under the anti-log, you check 0.21 because anti-log begins with points. So you check 0.21, 29 under 2, add difference 1. 0.29 under 2, add difference 1. So you have 1959. You have 1959. Now, in anti-log, the point is already in front of the first non-zero digit, and it can either move like this or like this. It will move forward like this if the number here is positive, and it will move backward like this if the number is negative. Since the number is positive, that means this point will move forward, but it's not going to move forward forever. It's going to stop at one time or another. Now, it's going to stop if it moves the number of times that is here. So it's going to move forward because this number is positive. Then it will move forward once because the number here is 1. So the point will no longer be here. The point will not be here. So this will not be your final answer. So this is how to find logarithm of numbers that involve powers and roots. In the next example, we look at questions that contain power and roots simultaneously. Bye bye.